What's good, Pack Gang? So today I got a special unboxing for you. I told y'all 2022 is gonna be my year trying to get serious racing. So boom, got some new parts. So this is a performance development diff brace from K&N Speed Factory. They hooked me up with some good stickers and my address on it, girl.
No.
But anyway, got me look like that's an incense. I thought it was a keychain. So yeah, boom, bust out the razor blade. You hear me? What side I need to open? This side, cool. Boom. You already got. Ooh. Ooh. See, we got some Loctite in here. Got some inserts for the bolts. Right here is what we have is the good old diff brace. Got liquid. To get it open, y'all. Sorry, bear with me.
Ooh, the hand.
I know, right? Ashley, hey, I've been working on cars all day. Don't judge me, y'all. Boom. This is a nice little solid piece right here. Okay. I heard that they made quality stuff. Uh-oh, see that? America. I like this. Got the little bushing right here. See? Oops. Got a sticker. You know, you got to throw that on the toolbox. Got a bushing. And here are the instructions. So make sure y'all read these now. You know, some people just take stuff out the box and have no idea what they're doing. That's what they give you these for, so you can read them, put them in there correctly. So, as you can see, these are all contents of this beautiful box. But I gotta get back to work because today I gotta put this on. So y'all be cool now. But since you're here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment on what you think of this nice product right here. Give me a good old thumbs up. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Stay tuned for part 2 when I put this brace on. I also got some more stuff that came in the mail, but I'm gonna do an unboxing on that. Like I said, that's gonna be another video. But if you smash that notification bell, you'll see it. I ain't gotta tell you; it'll just go off. Beep! But oh, my man Blupak got some gas on YouTube. Let me go ahead and tune in. So like I said, y'all be cool like how y'all be cool. Oh, y'all need to know what movie that's from. That's why I keep saying it. I watched it the other day. So if you can tell me what movie that's from in the comments, you know what I'm saying? Might be a giveaway or something in there. But like I said, y'all be cool. I'ma holla. Peace.